Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about bicycle gears that are not shifting properly. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to fix them easily in this very simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 6 things that you can check for and try to do to hopefully help you if your bicycle gears are not shifting properly. This is actually a really common thing that happens, especially as your bike gets older and you use it more and more. But we're going to tell you and show you exactly the ways that you can fix it by looking at things, looking for things, and sort of, even manipulating certain things. So let's get right into this video tutorial. Number 1 is see if it's one gear or all gears. You want to do some experimenting and testing and see if it's literally just one gear that's causing a problem or all of the gears that are causing a problem. Because that will help you determine. If it's just one gear, you know it's going to be something to do with that specific one gear. If it's all of the gears, you know it's something to do with the entire gearing system. So start off by figuring out if it's one gear or all of the gears. Moving on to number 2. Number 2, look at the gear cables. So you want to inspect the gear cables for any damage or wear. And essentially, you're going to take a look at the gear cable. So on this bike, this is where the gear shifter is. And if you follow the gear shifter down, these are the gear cables. You want to follow them along and just sort of see if there's any damage or wear. You can follow them under here and see if there's any damage or wear anywhere. So inspect the gear cables. See if anything looks off, anything looks loose, anything looks too tight, anything looks damaged or worn or broken, anything like that. Just look at the gear cables. Moving on to number 3. Number 3, inspect the derailleur, okay? You're going to look at the derailleur, see if it looks off. If you don't know what the derailleur is or what it looks like, go and take a look online. That's a whole separate video. But you want to see if it looks off because that's essentially what plays a big role in shifting gears. So see if it looks off or if it looks totally fine. Moving on to number 4. Number 4, adjust the barrel adjusters. So on many bikes, you're going to have the opportunity to adjust the barrel adjusters on the gears. Down over here, these things can be turned to sort of give it a little bit of loosening or tightening. And it's like a micro adjustment. So think about it like that. You can make macro or bigger adjustments back here, but the micro adjustments can be made with the barrel adjusters underneath the gears that are connected to the gearing cables. So just, maybe adjust the barrel adjusters, see if it helps by loosening them or tightening them just a little bit. See if it makes any difference, because sometimes you just need a quarter of a turn or half a turn looser or tighter in order to make the world of a difference. Moving on to number 5. Number 5 is clean the bike chain. Your bike chain obviously controls when you pedal, but it also plays a big role in the gearing of the bike. So if your bike chain is too dirty, if it's full of oil, then guess what? It's gonna, probably hinder your ability to switch gears properly. So clean the bike chain, make sure it's nice and clean, and that'll give you the best chance at fixing your gears if that's what's causing the actual problem. Last but not least is number 6. Number 6 is adjust the limit screws of the derailleur. So there are limit screws on the derailleur, and those limit screws basically adjust the derailleur itself, and they play a big role in the gearing. Now, most likely, if your gearing was fine before and it just magically stopped working and you didn't hit a bump, a massive bump, or the bike didn't fall or anything, then it's not likely going to be the limit screws. But sometimes the limit screws might get looser, right, which will affect the gearing. Or maybe you hit a really, really hard bump and maybe that affected the limit screws a little bit. It changed the limit screws. So take a look at the limit screws of the derailleur and maybe adjust them to see if that's part of the problem. And that is basically it. Hopefully you can fix the gearing on your bike and get it to shift properly once again using these little tips, tricks, and pieces of advice. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.